March of 2019 was a pretty big event. We had a lot of snow, we had a lot of deep freeze, and then that cyclone storm came in, just overwhelmed the river and wiped out the levee. My name's Dan Roland. I'm the general manager at Lois Hills Harley Davidson. I actually had come in on March 4th, was my first day in the position, and in less than 2 weeks we got notice from the county that we needed to evacuate due to the breach of the levee for the Missouri River. I think I'm more grateful for having insurance that kept us alive, kept us going. Otherwise, we'd be driving by a vacant building saying that used to be our livelihood. And we had people coming down to help move bikes, people that can ride, people that can shuttle the riders back and forth. Somehow, we moved 400 bikes in just a matter of hours, just in time before they closed the roads down and the waters came in and took over the dealership. When the waters hit its peak, it hit about 18 inches. It was heartbreaking to walk into your facility and see parts and clothing floating and, that are now sitting in mud. It was devastating. There's two big elements with getting this business back on its feet, and that's the community support and our flood insurance. We were treated very, very well with the insurance process. There's a lot going on. There's the claims, there's paperwork, there's adjusters that come out, but fortunately the insurance process, they're very supportive, very receptive to helping us. They weren't trying to drag things down, and without the flood insurance, if this dealership wasn't here, we'd lose 25 jobs, and that would domino effect into the families. It's your employees' future that's on the line. It's your own future on the line, and you don't want that disrupted in any way. The greatest success is having the flood insurance that kept us alive. Flood insurance is priceless, in my opinion.